Alright, so epilogue on the Mini. I had forgotten to get that back together again properly. So while it's together, it wasn't properly together and I couldn't open my bonnet. But luckily, I've come up in here and you can just reach, if you squirrel your hand the right way, up in, and then you can see the top of the, anyway, you can just get to the top of that radiator support bracket, which is where this sits. Release the two clips off the back so it's floating. Then I managed to lever it open and then got the other half of the cable out, pulled it down through the hole, and then I could just pull on that to get it open. So, as I say, my hand was coming up through this gap here and up into place just there. There you can see the cable it's meant to join onto, right there. Easy. So, mental note, next time, test the bonnet release before you close the bonnet. It's a bit of a squeeze through here, so it did take a bit of yanking and ganking. Oh, come on. It's not go easy. Then, back into its place there. Back together. We want to test our release clip. Spin that. Yeah.
Here?
He's through in the other room there. Yeah. This is when you realise. Fortunately, I hadn't clipped that in, or that would have been an absolute bugger as well. So, very lucky. Very extremely lucky. Because yeah, if that was clipped in, I wouldn't have been able to pull that through. So, double lucky. Slap bugger wins then.